You've probably heard this tip before. Don't throw away your used coffee grounds. Plants love them. Sounds perfect, doesn't it? Free fertiliser from your morning brew. But is that actually true? Or is it just another garden myth that refuses to let go? Coffee grounds might be one of the most misunderstood gardening hacks out there. Some gardeners swear by them. Others say they ruin the soil and stunt plant growth. So instead of guessing, let's take a look at what the actual science says. The first myth to get busted is that coffee grounds are not strongly acidic. Most of the acidity in the coffee ends up in the drink itself during the brewing process. Used coffee grounds are actually close to neutral in pH. So adding them to your garden soil isn't going to be a natural solution to help acidify your soil if you're keeping azaleas or blueberries. Coffee grounds do contain nitrogen, but there's a catch.
Are you serious?
That nitrogen is all locked up inside organic compounds and only becomes available once microbes break those grounds down. If you dump fresh grounds directly into the soil, a few problems can happen. They can compact together and form a water-repelling crust. They can also temporarily tie up the nitrogen while microbes decompose them. And some studies suggest that fresh grounds can even suppress seed germination. So instead of helping your plants to grow and flourish, it could have the opposite effect. And you might be thinking, whoa, suppress seed germination, GREENTHUMB? That sounds like a really good mush. Well, no, the particles are that fine, they tend to dry out really easily and create a water-suppressing barrier. So what do? Do you throw your coffee grounds away? Well, actually, no. They're still super useful. The best place for your coffee grounds is actually in your compost bin. There they will feed microbes, improve organic matter and contribute slow-release nutrients as they break down. You could also feed them to your worm bin or use them in bokashi composting, which is an awesome way to get nutrients into your soil. You could add small amounts directly to your soil, but make sure you dig them into the soil and mix it in well. What you want to avoid is leaving a thick layer sitting on the surface. By doing so, you can end up encouraging unhealthy environments, encouraging mold, fungus gnats, and poor water absorption, which end up inviting a whole other lot of problems. So sure, coffee grounds can be a great addition to your garden. Just don't treat it as a miracle fertilizer and think about it as a composting ingredient or food for your little worms. And if you're enjoying a tasty brew from time to time, then your garden might as well enjoy the leftovers. If you enjoyed this video and you want to see more myth-busting gardening hacks, then make sure you hit that subscribe button and the bell notification so you don't miss a single thing. Also, hit that thumbs up button to let YouTube know that you dig this content. And maybe you want to watch that little cheeky video that's just popped up here. Until next time, guys, I'll see you later.